Hi guys, my friends are playing the games because today we're gonna hack somebody's account. So, let's go. Log out. Now, let's say, log in like this. If you can't see it, it needs to focus it. So there we go. I'd like to 114. Someone hacked it because I hacked it. I just hacked her account. I like who 114 is hacked. Someone hacked her account. Oh. Alright. Alright, I'm logging into something. If you want to guess in the comments. When I'm logging. Oh, trying to verify my notifications on my pant. Check mark. Alright guys, your password. If you want to guess your password, let me know. Oops. Let me know in the comments below. So this is the account that I logged in yesterday. The boys 123421. Sorry, my face cam's going. Hi guys. Sorry I had stopped the recording. I'm in the boys' account, so we're gonna hack somebody's account. Well, by the way, we're playing some games because we're gonna date somebody. As Josephine. Or not. I don't know why. And guess what? You might see this badge that I earned in Fashion Famous Roblox. You gotta see this, guys. You gotta see it. It's minimum. I'm back to Biz Club, you guys, because Mommy got me to Biz Club. Hey, somebody wrote like this. Not nice, you badly, right? Spell time wrong. No, Stan. So join my group. It's called Team Roblox and Crew. Well, I'll see you in here. Oh, by the way, before I get on in this video, so we're gonna count these badges. I got the badge, I think, and the rest of these Happy Earth Day badges. They will never jump scare. They're upside down. Well, 790 badges. 790 badges. There it is. I won the Bash and Famous first place prize. It says, wow, you got first place at Route of Fashion Frenzy. This is not Fashion Frenzy. This is Fashion Famous. So, I'll see you here. Bye-bye. Where is it?